Sarap, Brad. Isa na lang alam natin eh. Unique ang alam ko, naging damit eh. Ano? Wala na.
Number 12 to number 22 for 3. Bang! It's a 3.
Wala na, nakajong na.
Oy! Wala. May foul, technical foul. Si number 77, technical foul. Technical free throw, no good.
Suka po. Kung isa yun, mamaya pa yun. Sa second quarter.
10 seconds shoot. Ay, agaw. Agay mo ba yung number 23.
Stone pala, may buhok na. Kanina,
77.
kalbuyo may buhok na.
77! What a move! What a move by 77. Number 12. 14 to number 23. 23 again. No good. Wala pong 77. 23. Oy.
Advance pass. Oh, lalaro kakain. Yan nangangayat kay. Ang iles, kadalas ang bola. Si Busbugay nagaupo. Parang nasa ano lang eh.
23. Lumusot. 23. No good. Grab on by number 8.
Tira mo na ron, tira mo ron. Estong, may buhok.
77.
Hindi nakasyot kasi may buhok.
Agaw. Agaw by number 8. Dalawang 8. Oy. Wala pa naman.
Yoko mo, iyoko mo.
14
Nice
to number 0. May foul. May foul tayo. Foul, sino grade? Sinong 8? Si Ron? Ah, si isang. Dalawang 8. 0-8 na lang si, ba? 0 ng 8.
Mga Kobe yan eh. Kobe.
Basket. Number 0. Oh, dos lang. Dos lang si 71. Number 22, short. Grab on by number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. 71. Oy.
Grabe yung takbo ni Ron, yung piloka hindi nawawala. Hindi nasisira. Dahil sa Pamada.
Number 8 for 3. Bang! He scores 7-4, 6 minutes and 20. Number 12. No good. Grab on by number 8. Number 8 now. Oh, nice pass. 71 ng Teterano. Good. 23 to number 0. 0 to number 12. Basket. May kasama pang foul.
Grabe yung piloka, hindi talaga nasira. Oh, buhat talaga.
Foul si number 7-1. Illegal use of hand. Bonus free throw. Bonus free throw. Basket.
Pasok. 7 with jack. All 7.
71. Basket. By 71.
9-7 the score.
Tira mo!
23. No good. Oh, rebound by Saro. Saro to number 22. Basang-basa. Ay.
Thank you sa nag-like. Si Boss Bugay, relax na relax. Parang nanonood lang ng live. Live pala talaga to.
24. Ay, still na naman. 23.
Natayo lang nakatayo.
4 minutes 40. Saro to number 23. 4-3. Bang!
Grabe.
Seven. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8, 4-3. Babaway. No good. Zero na nagmamadali. Zero to number 22. May foul. May foul si number 8. 0-8. 0-8 foul. 0-8. Subrep. Sub situation.
Pasok na yung bulero. Papasok
Ito dyan.
ang bulero.
21 in. 0-8
Ang
out.
bulero.
Warning for penalty. Wala free throw na good. Score 10-9. Second free throw. Wala pa din.
Hoy, crossover.
21. 21. No, short. Rebound by 7-7. No, good. Oh, sa kanya pa rin. 7-7 pa rin. Saro to number 14. Basket.
12-11.
Score 12-11. Mighty up by 1. 23. 71. Back to number 23. Number 8. Number 8. Foul. Holding foul. Si number 23. 23 foul. First personal foul. 71. No good. Rebound by number 77. 21. 21. PG foul.
Nag-gym ka na kasi, Miggy.
Number 21. PG foul. Two minutes and 38. Zero to number 14. 14. Itinira sa tres. No good.
City.
21. 21. Basket. Not counted.
Counted.
May foul tayo sa baba. Zero foul, flying foul. Second team foul. First personal foul. Three. 7-1. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. No, good. Rebound by number 14. 14 pass to number 12. 12. Zero to number 22. 23. 4-3. No good. Oh, rebound by 77. Number 8 now. 8 to number 71 for 3. No good. Zero. Oh, for 3. Fifteen, 11. My day, by 4.
My day, every day, my day. Peloka.
Number 8, 4-3, no good. By foul. Number 0 again, second for the foul.
Pasok na.
Substitution. 0 din. 0 block.
Ang score na, din lamang ng my day, every day, my day.
23, 4-3. No good. Boy. Hindi tumama sa ring. 5 seconds to shoot. Basket now for Wade.
15, 14.
Score 15-14. Oy, tumira ng 3. No good. Turning seconds remaining. Twenty-one. No good. Rebound by 7-7. 7-7. My foul. Foul.
Cortez, pasok na.
Foul 0-0. Bagong pasok. 0-0. Two shots. 22 seconds remaining. Foul. Pangapat. Basket. It's a tie. 15 seconds. Penalty. Penalty. Sino rate foul? 0 ng foul. Unang free throw. 7 seconds remaining. Basket. Warning. Number 14, warning. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And of the first quarter, score 16-15.
1 point lead.
Okay. Yan ang ating first quarter score. Mighty, everyone. May na? Sige, ingat. Basket by number 24. Score 17-16. Number 12 nasundutan.
Dunk!
Number 21. Basket.
Perfect.
22 to number 12. Number 12. No good. Oh, rebound by basket. Basket by number 14. Foul si number basket count. Foul number 24. Cylinder foul. Bonus free throw.
James Yap.
Basket.
James Yap, panagalawan. James Yap yun ah. 19 deadlock ah, bidikit ng laban. Bordering.
77, no good.
Tatlo sa mga guard. Short.
No good. Rebound by 23, 21. 21, lumipad. No good. Oh. May foul.
Tagay foul.
Foul si number 23. Pushing foul. This line. Number 23. Okay. Traveling violation.
Dikit na, deadlock, dikit ng laban.
Twenty-two, 4-3, no good. Grab on by 77. 77 ang mamadali. 77. 77. What a side step by number 77.
21-19, 2-point lead. By RCT.
Ay. Miscommunication. Seventy-seven, bang for way.
24-19, 5-point lead by RCT Bowlers.
23 to number Saro. Saro to number 22. 22, no good. Sa inyo lang. Agaw. Good. 23, 4-3. Bang! For win!
24-22.
They scored 24-22. RCT up by 2. 21.
Manny Pacquiao na tira
Number
yun
24.
ah. Side sweep.
Minus ball. Hindi pwedeng mag-time out yung nasa loob.
Ano tayo pre?
Time out! Tawag kayo sir, time out sir. Hindi pwede yung nasa loob. Time out si Mayday. This time out brought to you by V Sports Apparel. Kusinang Pinoy and George Apparel.
Boy Julab. Walang number, walang anniversary.
Dito po, dito sa...
Salamat po.
Vlogger.
Kuya, may asukal.
Wala.
Konti lang.
Wala po yung ano.
Oo.
Konti lang. Konti. Yung masukal. Yung
Konti
kape.
lang.
Konti lang. Yung ano, wala.
Traveling. Violation.
Nagtabi yung dalawang legend, no? Yung dalawang legend, nagtabi.
21.
Ayan na. Leslie.
Number 77. Bumitaw na 3. No. 24.
Hop! Yeah, grabe rebound. Si Mickey gustong kainin yung bola.
Zero. Zero to number 14. No dribble.
Kain kayo lahat, boy. What's your
Basket.
name? What's your name?
Wash your name and brush your teeth.
Number 28 now. 20 to number 21. Tumira na 3. No good. Symbol. Symbol.
City. May bolero, tapos walang number yung isa.
Oy, good.
True love, nataranta
Stepping
si True
line.
Love, nataranta.
#21. 23 again. No good. Wrap up by number 21.
Muntik na masira yung table. Gigil na gigil.
Huwag sirain ang table. Maawa kayo.
Upo ka dito, kuya.
Subset? #21, 12 to number 22.
Dang!
22.
Hoy!
May foul. May foul.
Saan ka ba lalaro?
Sara.
Saan ka lalaro?
28 foul. Subrep. Substitution.
Ayan na!
Number
The
28.
legend is entering
For
the
the foul.
court.
Second team foul. Second team foul.
Bawal sa kataan yung matanda. Mas matigas pa sa inyo yung matanda dyan.
Number 14. Oh, easy basket.
Yan eh. Tumira si Hapon.
No good.
Na-rebound ni Mickey.
Rub up by 14.
Pinas
Pass to number 23. 23. Ay. Ay. Twenty-two. 22. May foul. May sumabit.
Nawala. Super layup na yun eh.
Foul si number 77.
Ang ganda ng layup.
Illegal use of hand. Wala hacking. Unang free throw. Basket. Saglit sara.
Illegal use of arm.
So,
Ah. Second free throw. Wala.
na-score na 10, 27, 24. Lamang yung my day, everyday my day. Malakas sa my day.
77. Bang! It's Atay
Ulit
again.
lang yung laro. Si Boy Pamay, lalapit na pumasok.
Zero for 3. Babawi na sana. No.
Hoy! Dark boy, dark boy!
24. Isinubo. Bakit?
Isinubo pala eh.
The score 29. RCT 27. Mighty. 23 na naman. No good. Bravo by. Walang number. Si walang number.
Diretso mo, wag mo ipasa.
28 now. 22 number 7. May foul.
May time out pa kami ng second quarter sa ano.
Ano sa?
Isa.
Number 28 for 3. Bang! Time out! Mighty.
Lamang na ng 5, 35, 27.
This time out brought to you by B Sports Sabaran. Kusina Pinoy. And your Sabaran. #23. No good. Grab on by 24. 24. 28. Illegal screen.
Legal screening.
Illegal screen si
Okay, thank you, Clara.
si walang numero.
Thank you so much. Sa sobrang dami ngayon nanonood, pati doon sa taas ng building may nanonood, oh. Puno yung court eh.
22. My foul. Penalty. Penalty. Foul si number 21. Illegal contact. 2 shots.
32-27.
2 shots. Unang free throw. Basket. Second free throw.
Pasok din.
Basket pa rin. He scored 32-29. 28. 77. 77 to 0. 24 for 3. No good. Rebound by 28. 28. 0. No good. Rebound by 23. 23 na sundutan. 77 to number 21. No good. Sa inyong dalawa lang. 77. Oh, wala move.
Sila dito.
77. Number 0 na. On dribble the ball. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 22. No good.
Sige, diretso mo na! Diretso mo!
55 seconds.
Diretso mo, magpupasa!
Getting the ball. 8 seconds violation also.
Meron dito sa ano. Kwek. Itlog na orange. Kwek. Sige lang. Okay lang. Yan ang mga shot, ang mga player na midis, malakas.
40.
Oy!
49.
Asaan ka mo?
Basket.
Grabe, in your face.
Time out. Si Kuya Istong.
Young ones versus
Number 21 foul. This time out for Dubai B Sports Apparel. Kung sino ang Pinoy, ang Jers Apparel.